So we got a package in the mail today, and I'm quite hyped about it because I've been following this brand for some time now, and it's a package from Unbound Merino. Now, Unbound Merino is a brand that specializes in clothing made from merino wool, and they offer a wide range of apparel, including t-shirts, underwear, socks, and travel essentials, all crafted from merino wool fibers. Now, unlike other brands that are using polyester performance blends, which I'm not against, they went with a fabric that is not only natural and sustainable, but offer the same key benefits as any performance fabric would, but with a luxury twist. Based on their marketing, they primarily, focus on minimalism and travel friendliness by, creating quality basics that are lightweight, packable, quick drying, and durable, making them, ideal for just, travelers and adventurers who want to pack light and stay comfortable on the go. So this is very different from most brands I've covered in the past, but let's get into the unboxing. Oh, by the way, Unbound Merino did not sponsor this video at all. They just sent me product to review, nothing else. Everything else is my own opinion, and yeah, let's get to it. So it came packaged in this little box that included their compact travel hoodie, crew neck tee, travel pants, and 2 different pairs of socks. Now, I'm no stranger to merino wool clothing. I own a few V-neck sweaters and sport coats made out of it. But to have, simple basics such as a t-shirt, hoodie, and sweatpants made out of merino wool is, I don't want to say next level, bro. It's a step up, in quality, and I guess we're moving towards the luxury, realm. Now, for reference, I will leave my stats somewhere in this video, and everything I'm about to try on is a size large. I just wanted to play safe with this one. So starting with the t-shirt, I felt I could have sized down to a medium, to be honest. It's very loose in the midsection, but aside from that, aside from the loose fit, it's very light and airy. And even though the fibers are very fine in this t-shirt, it's by no means see-through thin. It's just a right amount of thickness. It also feels so soft and comfortable, unlike, traditional wool, which can feel scratchy and coarse. Merino wool is just much finer and smoother, making it ideal for direct skin contact. Now, as for the hoodie, I felt once again that I could have sized down to a medium, but I'm not swimming in it. It still looks great. The length is a bit long, but a simple, roll fixes that. And before filming this video, I actually wore it out running errands and just doing work around the house. And I felt I didn't need to take it off to pull off after walking in and out of the house, or when I was chasing my dogs from biting the Amazon driver. And that's partly one of the many benefits of wearing merino wool clothing. It has a natural temperature regulation in both hot and cold environments. And I don't want to bore you guys with, just going over the other benefits, but I will list them down in the description. Or, even now as I'm talking to the camera, because I don't think many people know the versatility of merino wool clothing. Now let's move on to the travel sweatpants. I'm glad I sized up to a large in this one because it is a slim fit, and if you are no stranger to the squat rack, then you may also need to size up. I feel it will stretch out over time, but I wouldn't size down on these. The length is a bit long and it's extremely tapered at the bottom, but a quick roll inside out fixes that and it stays in place all day. It has 2 zippered pockets on the back and a hidden pocket inside, both front pockets, but one side has a hidden zipper compartment, which a lot of people say they use to store their passport in. And last but not least, the socks. If you have smelly feet, then you may want to opt for merino wool socks. I always wear merino wool dress socks when I air travel, to be able to take off my shoes and not stink up the place. But let me ask you guys a question. Is it disgusting or appalling to take off your shoes during a flight? I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. I know I'm going to get different opinions, but I don't mean like taking off your shoes and just like resting it on someone's lap or anything. I mean, just taking it out, just keeping your foot down like, right next to your shoes. I do it. Do you? By the way, guys, if you're a returning subscriber or you're just someone new that's just checking out the channel, but if you found this video somewhat helpful so far, please make sure to leave a like down below. Please, it would really help me out, and it really motivates me to continue making these type of videos. Okay, now I do have to see if the socks are dryer safe because they do have elasting to help stretch them out again, but I highly, highly, highly suggest you follow the care guide. Merino wool will last you a lifetime if you take care of it. Follow the care guide. They even print it out for you. But yeah, Unbound Merino gets the thumbs up from me. There are not a lot of brands that are doing this. You know, they're leveraging the properties of merino wool, you know, to provide comfort, performance, and versatility in a variety, you know, of settings, all the way from, you know, lounging around to hiking mountains. Oh, it's pretty cool what they're doing. And I know there are some viewers out there that are anti-polyester. So here you guys go, 100% natural merino wool. So if you're in the market for high quality apparel for everyday wear and outdoor adventures, then I highly suggest you check out Unbound Merino. I will link them down in the description below for you guys to check out. I do not know if they gave me a code or not. I seem to get ahead of myself when I do these video reviews, but I'll make sure to leave it somewhere on the screen. Guys, that wraps up this review. Thank you so much for checking out Unbound Merino. Hopefully this video was informative. And once again, if you got something out of it, please make sure to hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace. And my battery is dying.